Welcome, willkommen, bienvenue, bonjour, hola, yasu, konnichiwa, ni hao. Welcome to the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. Hi folks, welcome back to the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. Now I'm going to do another quick ridge monkey recipe for you here. Now I will warn you, this is not exactly healthy, this recipe, but it's a great and easy one when you're out camping. A nice warming recipe, dead easy to do and tasty. What you need to get, your bag of your thin fries, the type you get when you go to a takeaway. Just a nice frozen bag of those. You can grate, I'm just being lazy. I've got some already pre-grated cheddar cheese there. Some Cajun spice. And I've already got some pre-cooked bacon bits. Obviously you can make your own, you can grate your own cheese, you can make your own bacon up. I'm just being lazy. And what I have done so far, I've allowed these to defrost a little bit. So put them in your freezer box when you're going camping, or in your fridge if you've got one in your van if you're lucky enough. When you get to your campsite, take your chips out, let them defrost a little bit. And what I need to do is I'm going to put them in one of these freezer bags first. Something there like that. Yeah, good. I'm following these. And these are especially yummy after you get round the campfire. Now, get your Cajun spice, and depending on what kind of spices you like or how much you like, I like to put a good coating in there. Put as much or as little as you want. You can always add more after. Give them a good shake up. And let's get that cooker on. We've got the chips all nicely coated now there with Cajun spice. So you can use any spices you want if you don't like Cajun. And we'll get the old ridge monkey out and tip some of these fries in here. As I say, I've defrosted these. It doesn't take too long, and especially if you're outdoors, it won't take too long for them to defrost. We'll get those cooking away. Now, there are plenty of other recipes online, as I said before. This is just a nice and easy one that we've found that we like to use. If you got any suggestions, then please drop some comments in the box below and let us know what you think. Let's get this nice and hot. And keep turning. The secret with the ridge monkey or any of these type of pans is keep turning it, get even heat. They do cook pretty quick. We'll make sure they're cooked thoroughly. Well, this is just the first part, because what we're going to do when they're cooked is take them out, put them in some foil, and then sprinkle some cheese on and sprinkle some bacon bits on, and then we're going to melt it all back in the pan. Just keep turning it. Give them a good old shake. And I'm certainly not a chef, and these are only recommended as a treat. They're great for when you're out camping and want to warm up with a couple of drinks around the campfire. So you can make all your ingredients the night before, like grate your own cheese and cook your own bacon up, make it nice and crispy if you want. But I've just been very lazy today, just to show you this recipe. You can hear those in the pan sizzling away now. Beautiful. And it smells good as well. Let's check on them. Oh yeah, they're getting nice and hot now. So just keep turning and make sure you get an even heat, an even cook throughout. Nice bit of steam coming off there. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Right. Bit of foil now. Transfer these over into the foil for now. Only because when you put the cheese on and put them back in the ridge monkey, you don't want it burning. So the cheese, sprinkle a nice bit of cheese on the top there. And next, a little bit of bacon bits, just to go on top there. Half of that up, put it back in the monkey. And pop it back on the heat. So I want to get a nice melt on that cheese. I get the bacon, albeit it's pre-cooked, I want it to warm it back up again. That's it, putting it in the foil just helps to stop any cheese leaking out the side if it does melt, plus it won't burn the pan. Fork at the ready. So it's really simple ingredients. Your fries, your thin fries, some Cajun or other spice you like, some cheese grated, and bacon bits if you want bacon bits. So you've got 4 simple ingredients there. You don't have to put bacon bits on, you don't have to put cheese on, you could just have the fries with the spices on. Easy enough to do. And on the Ridge Monkey, they cook pretty quick. Let's just check that. Looks like it's steaming away nicely. Yeah. The bath's just about ready. Ooh. Need asbestos fingers for this. Yeah. You can see that bubbling away nicely in there, and that smells delicious. But you've not got smelly vision on here, you can smell how good that smells right now, and it's bubbling away in there. Obviously you can eat them straight out there if you want, save dirty in another dish, but I'm going to put them in this dish here, and I'm going to get myself a nice cold beer to go with them. If you like the video and the recipe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, it'd be a big help. Thank you very much. Any suggestions, pop them in the box below in the comments section, and I'll do my best to get back to you. In the meantime, thanks for watching. See you next time on the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. Bye for now.